Hello YouTube. Today I'm posting this video online to see if anyone can help me with my problem here with my car. This is a 97 Dodge Avenger with a 2.5 liter V6. It's been having a misfire problem. And so far I've replaced the fuel filter, all the spark plugs, the wires, distributor cap, and rotor. And yes, they are in the correct order. I have even checked for misfire codes, and there's no codes. However, I also noticed that I have a very high idle. Right now I'm in my driveway, and the car is idling nearly at 1500 RPMs, which is horribly wrong. I'm going to take it down the road for a quick sec. We're going on the road right now, and it has this horrible, it's not quite a misfire noise, but it's like a bogging noise. It's like it's bogging down. Right around 2000 RPMs. I'm going to do that one more time. It only seems to happen when you really hit the throttle hard. And then even when you shift the vehicle, it'll still bog down. When the vehicle shifts, it'll bog right back down to 2000 RPM, and it'll shudder like that. I don't know if you could hear it very well. I'll give it another go. That's pretty much it, YouTube. I'm not sure what the problem is. I'm thinking about taking it in here to the local shop here to have them figure it out if I can't come up with anything soon. So, yeah, this is a serious problem. Right now it's Saturday afternoon. That's the only reason I'm making this video. Otherwise, it'd be posted. Otherwise, I'd be at the shop by now with the car. But yeah, I'm not sure. So if you could give me your input, if you need to know anything else, I'll try to include that in the info box. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.